One swing arm, one motor. Sounds simple, right? But in real life, no two EVs are same. And here where the problem begins.
At Mecwin, we don't sell motors, we deliver engineering solutions. For every swing arm, we custom design the shaft because we know every matters. So, here is an imported cover.
And here's ours. So do you notice the extra ribbing, the thickness and the stress points?
Other suppliers, one size fits all. At Mecwin, we build different shafts because each customer is unique. And with our in-house facility, we control every step. Facing, turning, gear cutting, machining, fitment and precision. Just see this.
When we design for 80 kg load bearing capacity, we actually build it for 240 kg. We do the simulation even before doing the very first cast because every curve has a purpose, every rib a reason. Here's our imported motor cover. Notice the visible dent. It got damaged during something as simple as parking due to inadequate ribbing, thinning walls and presence of poor stress resistance.
Now compare with Mecwin EV motor cover, engineered with reinforced rib design and superior thickness, built not just to fit but to endure. Mecwin Green Propulsion,
Every shaft,
every fit,
every detail.
built for you.
Let's power the future together.